very short video. 2 quick mods that we're doing to the Subaru. Number 1. That looks like it's been underwater.
That needs of a polish.
Wait, my dad gave me a thing for that. Hold on. I've got the very thing. My dad gave me a thing, right? And I mocked him. This is a piece of it. This is the Dr. Power Magic Eraser.
Dr. Power Magic Eraser.
It is literally a sponge.
Okay. Is it a fancy sponge?
No, it's just a sponge. It is the big value block, which you just cut to size.
Cut a bit off.
I don't know how it works, but you...
Does it need water? Does it
put water on it. Whenever you spot dirt and grime, reach for the magic eraser and rub one out every time.
Rub one out? Hey, I like that.
Right, so I'm just going to take a piece of the sponge.
Is it going to catch fire?
It does look a little...
Oh, there's a bit.
Just grab a handful of the sponge.
Grab a handful of sponge.
And then take the sponge through a tap.
Find a tap.
Make sure it's not frozen.
Oh, that wind's cold. Oh, I'm not going to lie.
There you go.
I'm nearly done for today.
I can believe it, right. There's a sponge, it's got some water in it. And then you rub the affected area.
I'm waiting for this.
Now GML sell this on the internet and on the TV, so it must be good. Because you don't get to just sell things on the internet unless they're of value.
Well,
it's cleaning the surface, grime.
I want to say that if you were just to wet your jacket and rub it in the sleeve, it should have the same effect. What about on this?
Are you suggesting that the sponge is not magic?
I'm not sensing the magic here.
I think it's just a sponge, mate. I tell you what though, look at that. There you go.
It's like the least abrasive sponge I've ever seen. I've seen more.
Yeah, it's taking some dirt off and disintegrating.
Yeah, I'm not sold. Like, you're just getting them wet.
Here, look, my dad gave me this magic sponge, and he said the word. He says, "I've got the very thing," and then he went off and he brought me back this sponge. So this is the
your
very
dad
thing.
fobbed you off a sponge that somebody gave to him. Here, look, you'll like this sponge.
No, it's probably my mum late night shopping on one of the TV channels. Right, okay.
Don't throw that mention away.
The magic sponge does not get a 2 thumbs up guarantee. No. 1 star. It's just a sponge.
It is a sponge.
1 star.
Not convinced.
Is these hose clamps? Show me the old hose clamp.
That's the
old hose clamp. Yeah, that's all.
You can see they're not nice.
Yeah, start to chew.
Started to chew. Yes.
There's worse on that side.
You don't want that.
So replacing that for these, which are a lot more heavy duty. So these are like a... Oh man, what the fuck is with the focus? So these are much more heavy duty and bolt down. So here we go.
Yeah, bolting. Could have actually done this with a ratchet.
Well, you could have done it with
a ratchet spanner.
Or the drill.
Or the drill,
but... just blasted it.
Well, we're here now.
Okay.
I think this is actually a Jubilee clip and that other one was a Chinese.
What, is Jubilee a brand?
Jubilee's a brand, yeah. That's where the name comes from.
Like Sellotape?
Yeah.
And Mars bars. Pornhub.
Pornhub. Now, I hope you're alright with me not having all my hose clips going the same way. Because that's absolutely going to have to go like that or that. It's easiest to get in there.
Doesn't bother me, they're your hose clips.
Doesn't bother me, it's not.
So have you had these, have these come off, or have these been loose, or are you just making precautions here?
I've had it off once before and that's when I noticed it was horrendous looking.
Ah, so the immediate need is to replace the one that was all
the
chewed up and deteriorated. But
this is just because we're here.
But while we're in this vicinity, and it's not raining in Scotland for once.
For once. And hopefully this is actually... Will it actually fit?
Get a really nice colour off the sunlight here, it's very glamorous. You look like you've got a suntan.
Wow. That's suntan, it's Scotland. Wait. I don't think this is long enough. This must be the next size up.
Not long enough?
Oh no, wait. It's long enough that way. If I could just get the thing to go around.
Metal.
Yeah. It's like, yes, it would fit.
If you could get it to twist.
If you could get that thing to twist, but it won't. I wonder if we could start off like. No, that won't. What? So I'm gonna have to get the next size up.
Need a bigger size.
Need a bigger size.
Well, you tried your best.
77, 75, 67.
What was the biggest size for that one? 77.
75.
Okay, so.
Need to go bigger than that.
All right, go bigger.
Go bigger. Right, where's that other? Where's the one I just took off? Because I still back on.
Let's see.
See, it's not too well. No, it's not.
It's a little rusty, but it's
rusty,
still
but it's still-
serviceable.
It's still straight.
All right. Well, that one was a half a win, half a fail.
We got the one change that we needed changed.
Yeah, the essential one.
The slack looking one.